Vehicle in front of you looks like a normal four-wheeler. Actually, a driver is supposed to sit, is occupied by some electronic circuitry and some mechanical structures. This is another device lying in front of you, is basically the remote control. It has got an. Now we'll see that in the standing position we have the axis. You can see there is an indicator glowing but no driver inside. There is an indicator too, but again no driver. Headlight glowing but there is no driver as such. And the standing light, you can see that both the standing lights or parking lights are there but no driver. Yes, no one is there. We can confirm that. Then who is controlling all this? Over there with a remote some person is operating the things, and that remote is actually controlling my vehicle. You can see no one is sitting and the vehicle is turning right. Along with that, you can see the indicators are glowing, the horn is on, and the other side please. By now we have seen that the person standing over there operated the vehicle in standing positions by a number of ways, but never the vehicle has been switched on. Now we request to switch on the vehicle, and you can see no one turned the keys but the vehicle is still on. Now I'll try to cover both the things. You can see from here that there is a steering but no human here. Okay. The person visible far ahead is the human. He is going to switch on the vehicle. Please switch on the vehicle. You can see, and the steering location, no one was sitting but the vehicle is on. So just now we have seen the operation of vehicle with the help of a remote. Now we'll tell you that the same operation can be done with the help of a laptop as well. Please come this side. An embedded circuit, similar kind of a transmitter, a serial to USB converter, and this cable is in turn connected to the USB port of a normal P4 laptop. As you can see, Shali is working on that. So now with the help of this remote, we'll try to control the vehicle with the help of this embedded circuit. This time we see that the person operating the vehicle is someone with a laptop. He's a high-tech man actually. So these days we don't use remotes like this. Just now we have shown you that this remote can operate the vehicle, but this time the person sitting over there will operate the vehicle, and we'll see all the features one by one. The horn is being pressed, indicator 1, lights, headlights, another indicator, this side please, another indicator, please, yeah, very good. And so the student team member Shalin Mittal. Atul, the person from electronics department in the technical staff members, Joginder Singh from automobile lab, and myself, Hemant Chauhan. It's solely my concept or the idea which is being supported by Joginder Singh, Atul and Shalin. As the clutch is being released, the vehicle will start moving. We slightly increase the acceleration and release the clutch. and you can see that the vehicle has started moving ahead. The vehicle is moving, the steerings are being controlled, but no one to control the vehicle on the driver's seat. You can feel the change that we are definitely moving. We are heading towards a building. So this way we have got full control. Shall we have the basic options? Acceleration, the brakes, the clutch, everything has been tested and everything is found perfect. We are moving and hitting in a sharp turn. Very close to the goal post. We are moving very close to the goal post. Now Mr. Joginder Singh is going to release the horn. Please evacuate, leave the vehicle vacant. Now we'll see that he can also drive from outside. So please drive the vehicle from outside. I put the vehicle into the first gear so that he can comfortably move it. Please release the clutch and slightly accelerate, and then please apply the brakes. You can see that slowly the clutch is being released. The clutch is being released, the vehicle is in motion and it will start moving. You can see that no one is in, but the vehicle has started motion and it is moving. And it is moving continuously, although no person is there inside the vehicle. Let's try to move close to the vehicle. You can see no one here, no one on the driver's seat. In fact, the entire vehicle is free of humans, and Joginder standing outside is operating the vehicle. Now I request him to please apply the brakes. He will apply the brakes and the vehicle stops. First of all, switch on the vehicle. I'll press S button over here on hyper. It will show me the key S, and you will observe that there the vehicle will be switched on. You can see the vehicle has been switched on. Now I slightly accelerate the vehicle so that we can hear it. I hope you can hear the music of acceleration. Now I slightly release the acceleration, and the acceleration is released. This time you can see that the remote is there inside and no one is operating the remote. The vehicle is moving. There goes my vehicle. And let's have a closer look. There is the remote, the driver's seat, and I hope you agree no one's there. Now you see that the person sitting there with the laptop and the communication system I told you, explained you just now, he is actually operating the vehicle. Now please switch on the headlight so that we can have a look. You can see that he just now switched on the headlight. Now he started the indicator. So now we are having the control through a PC.